Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your international life coach, tarot and oracle card reader, an energy healer, and now a podcast host. For this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of May. This is for my dear Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those na hindi pa nakakapag-generate ng kanilang natal birth chart, I suggest to generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. I have there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Scorpio as your rising/ascendant sign, then this is your reading. Kasi based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising sign/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, my dear Scorpio, let's get to know your angel number. Might be this had been the angel number that you had been seeing recently. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, angel number for my dear Scorpio, please. So we have here 6, 3, 6, 3, 4, and 4. So kindly go to Google search engine, my dear Scorpio, search angel number 6344. Might be there is a certain message that you needed to know with this certain angel number. You might be seeing a lot of 666, 333, 444, and also mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So 555, 555, and 1111, 111 as a confirmation of this particular reading. So let's proceed now, my dear Scorpio, in your general theme for the month of May. So before I proceed with the three card that is in the teaser na napanood nyo, so let's proceed. Let's get to know first ano yung magiging general theme of your life for the month of May. What will be the focus? Angel, Spirit, Universe. That was past. So we have here the Capricorn energy. Might be you're dealing with the Capricorn, my dear Scorpio. With the Capricorn energy, the energy around you is serious, materialistic, hardworking, and it bestows shrewdness and cautious ambitions. So might be, my dear Scorpio, you will be focusing on working on yourself to be the best version of yourself. You will be focusing on getting your money done, your stability and your security when it comes to your career, your finances, or you will be making yourself whole and complete. So for this particular month, it's either material work or yung work for your career, your finances, or you are going to do the inner work within you. So this month is all about work, doing the work that is needed to be done. So kasi probably with the card that we have, nagkaroon ng tower moment, nagkaroon ng setback, trial, challenges, or you were triggered by a certain situation. And that certain triggers na encounter mo, that triggered those certain traumas and wounds within you that you have not yet totally addressed. So what are the traumas and wounds or issues that you had experience in the life? So traumas and issues, it's either ikaw yung nanggaling sa broken family, separated parents, you came from a toxic or abusive relationship or family dynamic or a dysfunctional family. Those certain traumas and issues influence how we deal with our day-to-day activities or relationships in general. So might be you were triggered by a certain situation, by a relationship, and that caused the certain tower moment in your life na nagkaroon ka ng realization or magkakaroon ka pala ng realization on why those certain things needed to happen for you to welcome change. Kasi for you to welcome change, the change that you want should start within you. So those certain obstacles, challenges, trials, argument, setback, trial needed to happen for you to realize what are the things that you needed to address within yourself. So that needed to took place para for you to learn the lesson. With the High Priestess, these are karmic lessons that you needed to learn, and this is the process that you needed to undergo. It is divinely guided for you to experience those certain circumstances. Remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So everything that took place recently or you will be experiencing in the upcoming days, weeks, or month is needed for you to experience, for you to learn the karmic lessons that you needed to learn from those certain circumstances. Wherein now the universe is telling you that it's time for you to focus on you, focus on being present, try to be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you currently are experiencing, what you currently are becoming, what you can offer. Stop comparing yourself to other people around you. Might be you are basing your progress sa kung ano man yung meron yung ibang tao, what other people have, materially, financially, or based on their certain status. So it's time for you to focus on you. The more that you're basing your progress, your growth on other people's situation, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. Learn to be thankful, grateful for everything that you currently have, even the water, the food that you eat, the house that you have. It's time for you to really appreciate kung ano man yung naging progress mo throughout the recent days, weeks, or months. So it's time for you to be appreciative, and it's time for you to recognize how far have you come along the way, my dear Scorpio. So let's see what is this tower moment. Let's clarify the tower moment. What is this tower moment? So your sense of happiness, sense of fulfillment might be, my dear Scorpio, you base your fulfillment or happiness on the external, on that certain position, on that certain relationship, on that certain abundance, money that is coming your way. And yet, biglang nagkaroon ng disruption. It didn't go your way, or it didn't manifest the way that you wanted it to manifest, and you end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So it's time for you to focus on finding that sense of fulfillment within yourself. It's time for you to be clear. And this certain tower moment needed to happen for you to be specific para maging clear ka on what you wanted to manifest into your reality. Probably travel is also involved. You wanted to travel, nagkaroon ng interference with regards to the travel that you are planning, or a certain project or opportunity that you had been planning. So nagkaroon ng halt, nagkaroon ng divine intervention in that certain opportunity. And that is the reason why you are feeling unfulfilled and unsatisfied. Remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. And the bottom of the deck, we had here the death card. Something needed to end. Something needed to end, or something is needed to be released for you to welcome new things in your reality. So for you to welcome the new, you had to leave room for new energies to come in. You had to leave the old habits, old mindset, old way of living, old way of thinking, people, situation that is no longer serving your highest good. So for you to welcome new opportunities on the horizon, you need to release people, situation, mindset that doesn't serve your highest good. So let's clarify the high priestess. What are the karmic lessons that you needed to learn? What are the karmic lessons that you needed to learn, my dear Scorpio? What are the karmic lessons? So with the page of swords in reverse, this is not totally focused on you. Kasi you haven't learned the lesson. So other thing with the page of swords is learning the lesson or acquiring new knowledge pag naka-upright to. So naka-reverse to, these are the lessons that you haven't learned. You had been repeating the same old habits, same old mindset. So this is the time for you to contemplate, my dear Scorpio, what are the patterns that you had been repeating? Ano ba yung mga patterns ng obstacles and challenges that you had been repetitively experiencing? So meaning to say, the reason why you had repetitively experiencing it, you haven't learned the lesson. So it's time for you to find time to reassess what are the lessons of those certain obstacles, challenges, the setback that you had experienced, and be open and ready for the different possibilities. Don't be too attached to the particular outcome or the idea of the possible future or the outcome. Kasi the more that you are focused on the outcome, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied if those things didn't manifest, or that those things don't end up the way that you wanted it to be. Same thing with here. Might be in this certain situation, my dear Scorpio, you were too attached to the outcome. Nandun ka na sa possible future or outcome, and Yet, nung nagkaroon ng tower moment, it triggered you, it triggered your sense of fulfillment kasi you were anticipating this certain opportunity. So, this time, it's time for you to learn the lesson that it's time for you to stop wanting to know the when and the how. Focus on the why. Why is everything happening? What is the lesson that you needed to learn from everything that you're encountering sa buhay mo, my dear Scorpio? So, with the Three of Cups, what is this Three of Cups? What is this Three of Cups? So with the Three of Cups, it's time for you to take accountability, take responsibility of your own life. Don't compare yourself to others, as I've said. So you are, kumbaga parang, you are the creator of your reality. So it's time for you to be clear on what you imagine, what you want to manifest into your reality, set the intentions and the goals on how you will be achieving the certain outcome. So clarify the King of Wands. Let's get more of the details of this certain King of Wands. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. So it's time for you to commit to yourself. So before a commitment comes forward sa'yo, before you receive commitment from other people, opportunities, you had to commit to yourself first. Commit to your growth and expansion as a certain individual. Mag-provide ka sa sarili mo ng love, care, value, respect that you deserve. Because at the end of the day, the love that you are looking for is found within you by the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself. And the happiness that you're seeking is not found in having material things, money, relationship, those certain circumstances. It's found within you. The happiness that you're looking for is found within you by the way that you will be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have. Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop looking into other people's progress. The more that you are basing your progress in other people's situation, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. And you are your first soulmate, my dear Scorpio. So you have to be the first one to like, love, respect, and accept the person that you're seeing in the mirror, which is you. So let's get to know the energies of your career for the month of May. What are the energies of your career for the month of May? So, Knight of Cups. So, kumbaga parang with the picture of the girl here, parang you feel like there is a missed opportunity. So, kumbaga parang things didn't go your way. As I have said, nagkaroon ng tower moment, abruptly, nagkaroon ng interference, nag-intervene ng divine regarding that certain opportunity. Might be, this is not the opportunity for you. Remember, God's rejection is God's protection. Might be, this certain opportunity might be good, pero God has a different plan for you. There is much more better opportunities for you on the horizon. Don't get too far ahead with a certain outcome of this certain opportunity. So, there is an opportunity coming your way, pero just let go, surrender of trying to have it based on your certain liking. Kasi the more that you are totally nakafix lang sa particular outcome na yon, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So let's see what will be the obstacles with your career, for the month of May, my dear Scorpio. What is the obstacle that you're needing to overcome? So the obstacles that you're needing to overcome is the Page of Cups, being open and ready for the different possibilities on the horizon. So as I've said, you intuitively know that there are certain opportunities on the horizon for you. Kaya lang, you are probably getting impatient with the certain process. So remember, the important thing is not the outcome. It's not the future. It's not the money. It's not the career. Hindi yun ang importante. The important thing is the process on how you will be getting the outcome. Kasi if you're just going to skip to the outcome without undergoing the process, you will not be learning to appreciate it and sustain kung ano man yung paparating sa'yo na career. So, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So, when it comes to your financial situation, my dear Scorpio, so, Six of Wands. So, it's time for you to be present. Focus on the now. Huwag kang maging masyadong attached to the possible future or the outcome. Focus on the why. Focus on the things that needs your attention. And when it comes to your finances, probably you weren't able to monitor your financial situation. And that is the reason why this is a lesson for you to learn. The way that you handle your financial situation. So, it's time for you to address what are the certain issues, patterns that you had been repeating when it comes to your financial situation so that you will not be making the same mistake again. Okay? So it's time for you to be aware of the patterns that you had been repeating when it comes to your money handling or the way that you handle your financial, my dear Scorpio. And also, it's time for you to be clear. Eight of Wands, probably you will be getting financial help from overseas with the Eight of Wands here, or other source of income na might be you will be getting it from a distance with the Eight of Wands. Same thing with your career. Maaring this certain opportunity that you will be getting entails you to travel or it is related for a certain distance, probably coming from a different location. So, it's time for you to be clear. Ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari when it comes to your financial situation? Gusto mong maging financially independent? Ano yung kailangan mong gawin to achieve that? What are the things that you needed to adjust or to address when it comes to your financial literacy? You need to be financially literate. Kailangan mo mag-strategize. You need to be mindful of your spending, be mindful of your cash inflow and cash outflow. So this is the time for you to be present. Focus on what needs your attention, my dear Scorpio. When it comes to your relationship, love life, soulmate twin flame, self-love, self-care, healing journey, what are the certain energies? So Hierophant, commitment. So before you enter a long-term commitment for those who are in a certain connection, for you to have a healthy, loving, committed relationship with someone, kailangan mo muna magkaroon ng healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. You needed to be the first one to like, love, respect, value, and accept the person that you are seeing in the mirror. Kasi if you're just going to want commitment on the external. So the key to a healthy relationship is not only building that commitment or relationship with another person or certain circumstances. It's building that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. Because how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from other people around you, not the other way around. And also, maaring nagkaroon kayo ng obstacles and challenges when it comes to your relationships in general, not only love-related, friends, family, romantic, platonic, and there are lessons for you to learn with the Hierophant. So, may lessons na kailangan mong matutunan with everything that you are encountering when it comes to your love life, relationships in general, career, and your finances. Lessons have to be learned. Until you learn the lesson, you will be in a repetitive cycle or loop. Obstacles mo when it comes to your relationship, my dear Scorpio. Obstacles. So, the obstacles for my dear Scorpio. So, Four of Wands, finding stability and security within yourself. Kasi might be for some of you, you were basing your value and your worth as certain individual on having that relationship, having that partner, having that money, having that career. So it's time for you to find stability and security within yourself. Having a relationship, having that person, having that money, having that career, it's only an additional in our life. And it's not the basis of your value and your worth as a certain person, my dear Scorp. So kung ano man yung relationship na meron ka, that person that you will be having in your life, it's only an additional in your life. Yung actions and decisions of people around you doesn't have anything to do with your value and your worth as a certain individual. Okay, so let's get you your oracle guidance, my dear Scorpio, for the month of May, the general oracle guidance for you. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, Soulmate. So it's time for you to find peace, harmony, balance within yourself. It's time for you to find the soulmate within you, my dear Scorpio. So ang una nating soulmate ay tayo. We are our first soulmate. So the way that we will be loving ourselves, value ourselves, and respecting ourselves is how we're going to receive it with other people around us. We had to be the one to first love ourselves. Kasi kung ultimo loving ourselves, valuing ourselves, and respecting ourselves ay hindi natin alam, we don't know about it, we are obligating other people to do that for us, then we'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. Because it's no one's obligation to love us, to respect us, to value us, and to make us whole. It's our obligation to ourselves. So whatever you're going to get in a relationship, having that money, having that career, it's only an additional in your life. It's not its responsibility to make you happy and to make you fulfill. So come to the edge. It's time for you to take the risk, take a leap of faith, remove that limitation that you are imposing yourself, that you are not worthy, that you are not good enough, that you are not pretty enough. So be the first one to like, love, respect, and accept the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. So let's get you your angel messages, my dear Scorpio. Angel messages for my dear Scorpio. So wow, 111. I am creative. So angels are ready to fully support you in this endeavor so that you can co-create with the universe a life you love. So again, we are the creator of our reality. It's time for you to remove the limitation that you're imposing yourself. Kasi sometimes tayo yung unang nagdi-discourage sa sarili natin, telling ourselves a certain story, a never-ending story that we are not worthy, we are not good enough. So it's time for you to be mindful what you think, what you imagine, what you speak, because that becomes your reality, my dear Scorpio. So let's get you your affirmation, my dear Scorpio. Affirmation, please. Affirmation for my dear Scorpio. Wow, ang dami. This one I'm going to get. I am receiving everything I need in the moment it is needed. So you are receiving everything that you need. Then again, you are the creator of your reality. Kaya if you're focusing on the negativity, the fear, the doubts, the anxiety, that is the energy that you're attracting. That is the energy that you are welcoming. So focus on the positive side of the situation instead of worrying about the things that didn't go your way, sa mga bagay-bagay that it didn't manifest into your reality, and stop trying to focus on the problem. Try to focus yourself on how to get the possible solution and how to get the certain outcome. What are the things that you needed to do to achieve it? Okay, so this is what I got for you, my dear Scorpio. If this happened to resonate with your situation, do let me know in the comment section. Kindly like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you wanted to have your personal reading with me, the general reading, kindly message me on Instagram or Facebook page, Coach Ana Santiago or Soul Tribe PH. Tarot for tarot reading, coach per coaching program. Or if you wanted to see more of the details, kindly go sa website ko, www.anasantiago.coach. So this is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye!